Custom crafted Kingswood estate situated on over 3 private beautifully landscaped acres. The gaping foyer welcomes you into this remarkable estate home with open floor plan / stunning hardwoods / wood molding / high ceilings / large gourmet kitchen west / huge island / Thermador appliances / temperature controlled wine cellar / and sweeping views of the outside living space. Great room boasts stone fireplace, custom built-ins / and wall of windows for tons of natural light. Owner's suite on main west / terrace access and a true SPA bath west / walk-in shower and heated floors. Second level features 4 spacious bdrms west / walk-in closets, 3 baths, bonus room, and storage galore. Outdoor amenities include stone patio, grilling station, pergola, and firepit, all overlooking the private, wooded backyard. No detail has been overlooked. For the discerning buyer, where living is a lifestyle, this home is for you.